Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this dynamic pulley mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. As you can see that I am currently in assembly mode. So let's see how I can make it. So first thing that you have to do is click on insert components and click on new part. Select the plane as per your requirement. Front plane is fine. Press Ctrl plus 8. Notice something that no external references is checked on. Make sure it is similar in your case, else you will face a lot of issues. I warned you, okay? Now draw the rectangle shape. Let's say it is 90 and width will be 30. Let's make it here to here as a 15. Press escape, move this up, press this one and make this one, make midpoint coincident. Okay, press Ctrl Z, doesn't work. And make it 0. Now I have to make a little bit cut here, circular cut. So this is where my rope will be. So choose the diameter as per requirement. I think 15 is fine for me. Now go to the features, click on revolve bow space. Select this line, click OK. So we have made something called pulley. Now let's add some chamfer here as well. Notice the chamfer is quite big. So let's make it reduce. Let's make it 2 mm. 2 mm here. Let's make it 1 mm. Click OK. So this is how it looks like. Looks good to me. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now I can move it. Now first thing that I want pulley to make in such a way that it can only rotate. I can't move it forward, backward, top, right. I just want only it rotate. So what I can do? Let's see what I can do. So what I will do right now is I will select the top plane of the assembly, click on sketch and I will draw a center line. Press escape, exit the sketch mode. Now what I will do, go to the mates, select this face and select this line. Make it concentric, click OK. So because of that, it can only move forward, backward, but can't move left, right and top and bottom. And you can also rotate it. Now what I will do, select this face and select the right plane. Not this one. What I will do, select the select the right plane of the part, click on mate and right plane of the assembly, click OK. Now what I will do, I will make my rope and some cube box. So before I move forward, I will make my cube box first. So click on here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Make sure that no external reference is checked on, else you will face issues and then you will come to me and say, hey, this part is fixed, not working, blah blah blah. So yeah, so make sure that you do that. So make it 100 by 100, 100 by 100 and make it 50. And I'm sorry if you are listening any kind of voice, I can't do anything about that. So make it 100 here as well. Make it mid plane 100. Okay. Now what I will do, exit the assembly component mode, drag this part here. I will select the right plane, click on mates, and I will select the front plane of the assembly. Click on distance mate because I want to put some distance. How much? 100. Nope. Uh, what was its diameter? Let me check because the distance will be it's about diameter. So I will go to the evaluate tool, click on measure, select this face. So its diameter is 180, so 90 mm. It's a cool tool and I think that you guys learned, some people might learn it first time. So yeah, it's beneficial. So select this plane 90, click OK and close this. Select this plane. Now drag this here. Now by pressing Ctrl, left click on your mouse, drag this. Now what I will do, go to the mates and I will select the bottom one, right plane and the front plane. Enter a distance of how much? You guess it, 90. Click OK. Now the cubes are not aligned, so let's align them as well. Select this face and this face. Click OK. But I also want to make it align properly with pulley. You can see that I can move this direction. I don't want it. So press F to fit in the screen and you can see that what kind of video issues that I fit as well. So what I will do first, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, select this and I will select the front plane, click on mates and I will select the right plane, click OK. Now what will happen? They can't move, they can only move up and down. You can't move in any other directions. So this is basically what I want. So select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's align something like this. Now what I want a wire to be placed here. So how can I approach this? Okay, so click on here, click on new part, select the right plane. Now this is the important thing. Uncheck the external references. This time external surface is unchecked. Okay. Now go from center up to this point. Click on a semi arc and draw up to here. Press escape. Go to the features. Sorry, not wall space. My bad. Click on sort wall space. Click on circular profile. Select this. If you remember correctly, that the diameter that I cut it is 15 mm. So I will enter 15. Exit directional component mode. So if I select this, uh, if I now, but there is an issue. For example, if I move it up, click on rebuild, and if I move it down, click on rebuild. You can see it's moving up and down. That's not an issue, but the other one is not moving. That is the issue. So what I can do? So I will click on mates and advance linear coupler. So first thing is asking for the direction. So select this direction and select this one. You can see it's automatically here. Select this one and enter the ratio 1:1. Click on reverse. Sorry, uncheck the reverse. So what basically it means that if I move forward, you can see that they are moving upward, backward. For example, if I reach this position, click on rebuild, it's automatically aligned. Good. But is it moving? Is this police moving? I also want it to move. So first thing that I want to do is I want to add some texture here so that you can see it is moving or not, else it's a issue. So what I will do, so let's see how should I approach. So I will click on appearances, drag this texture here so that it will be easily to visualize it. Okay, now how can I rotate it? That's the question. So, do you know about circumference of the circle? If you know, then we are going to use some concept like that. So, click on mate, click on mechanical, click on rack and pinion. So, it is asking for the what is rack. Select this. What is my pinion? Select this. So, let's see if it is working correctly or not. Notice it is working, but in wrong direction. So, I will click on reverse. So, if you can see now it is working properly. Some people say, hey, that the wire is not moving up and down. Don't worry about it. First click on this and close it. And let's give some Color, materials, miscellaneous, grass, and leather. Yeah, leather belt is fine. Looks good to me. And metal is there, cast iron. Cast iron. Select this, press Ctrl plus 8, click on rebuild. Notice. Now, how can I animate it? That's the main thing. So I will click on here. First, go to here settings, increase the FPS as per your requirement. 30 FPS is fine. Click OK. Now, what I will do, I will go upward and drag this timeline up to 5 seconds. If you don't know how to do animation and wanted deep details why I'm doing certain steps, check out my Solidworks animation and motion analysis course. Link in description. Now what I will do, I will move upward, click on rebuild. So if I click on play this animation, nothing happens. That's strange. Sometimes Solidworks works. 5 seconds. Also, there is one more issue. Move this time frame. Okay, this one is not moving. Some move this here and move it up. Rebuild. Notice this keyframe is created, so it means that the animation will run now. Now the animation looks quite chunky and not good. So what I will do, I will go here, increase the FPS to 30 to make it better. It will take a time, but one time investment. After that, it will work fine. How does this animation look like?